Experiencing connection problems between your iPhone and AirPods Pro 3? You're not alone. Released in September 2024, these earbuds sometimes face pairing issues, often due to Bluetooth cache corruption or software glitches, especially after iOS updates. As of September 24, 2025, the most effective solutions involve clearing the Bluetooth cache, resetting the AirPods, and repairing them. These steps address about 80% of connectivity issues. To begin, ensure both your iPhone and AirPods are charged and within 30 feet of each other. Make sure to update your iPhone to the latest iOS version, as recent updates have included Bluetooth stability fixes. Now, let's dive into how to clear the Bluetooth cache and reset your AirPods. First, clear your iPhone's Bluetooth cache by navigating to Settings, then General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset, and finally Reset Network Settings. This clears stored connection data that may be corrupted. Note that this will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi passwords. Next, reset your AirPods Pro 3 by placing them in the charging case, closing the lid, and waiting 30 seconds. Then, open the lid and press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber, then white. This indicates the AirPods have been reset. Finally, repair your AirPods by opening the case near your iPhone. Follow the on-screen prompts to reconnect. If issues persist, ensure no other devices are interfering with the Bluetooth connection and that your AirPods firmware is up to date. For enterprise users, mobile device management policies can enforce regular repairing to minimize downtime.